Neal, touch pass to Green, another three-pointer. It's good. First NBA Finals. Green lines it up, hits a three. Doesn't let it affect him that time. Puts up a three, puts it in, does it again. Now has an NBA Finals record for most.
Jenkins pogađa trojku. Zvezdu Charles Jenkins je pogodio preko ruke Babića.
Got a pass to somebody taller than your point guard. Oh, great pass behind the back to Spencer Hall. Three-pointer.
One Lillard penetrates. Somebody left Durrell right.
Knocking it away, coming up with a steal. Warriors look to push. Durrell right. 27 throwing from the other side of midcourt. And the 180 Murray threw it to the iron and Durrell right the 180.
Odmakao mu se još jednom usli, fantastičan polovernja koji je smečovao u loptu.
Gradi opet protiv Savovića, brz okret uz čevonu liniju. Čak gradi poziciju Loverni, sjajan pas, Kagić zakucava. Blok Lovernja. Lovernja.
Ano Rakočević za Raška Katića, kakva rada Lovernja.
3 do kraja utakmice.
Velikih plus 8 ima Partizan.
Give it up to the officials. LeBaron for three from the far side. He's got it. Oladipo with the rebound in transition. LeBaron for three. Westbrook gets underneath Allen. The drive of the dish. LeBaron looking at it for three. And he scores it.
And they have no timeouts left. Dang gets it in. 3-point shot, Walker. He drills it. Walker's it out. Lou all Dang. 6 seconds left. Walker for three. He got it with 2.1 on the clock.
Walker, that's a bomb. And it's with 5 to shoot. Finds Walker. His total footage on these.
Finds Walker, who drives in and jams it home.
Yeah. You think the Heat fans like him in his debut? Wow.
Even have to explain it to the audience like you did.
Oh, that's
behind his rhythm. Eddie Howe signed to a 1-year, $1.5 million contract. Here's Williams. No! Really? Yes. Carter!
I want to be like you when I grow up.
Williams, backdoor cut. Carter! A minute 32 left to go. Now the Nets want to hold for one. 4 seconds left. Williams the drive. Williams. Post. Williams. A three.
Lopta za Cirbesa, kakvo dodavanje!
Vrlo malo vremena pokušava Marcus Williams.
Williams za 3 poena. Williams!